Hey, it's James Nicholson from rocketmarketinghub.com, and I'm just in Times Square right now in New York City. Incredible place. If you ever get the chance, make sure you come out here. Now, today's business message is about making your business a bit more like McDonald's. Strange thing, right? Why would you want to do that? They sell cheap hamburgers. But McDonald's have some very, very incredible systems in their business that helps keep them profitable. Now, they're willing to spend most of their advertising money to get someone in the door to buy a hamburger. And when they do that, they don't actually make any money whatsoever. So the cost of a hamburger is basically covered by the advertising spend and the rents and stuff like that. So they're not making any money. But one thing that McDonald's do very well is upsell products and services. So when you buy that hamburger, they'll upsell you to French fries and Coca-Cola, which the margins on are very, very big. And that's what you need to do in your business. You need to be selling your core offer, but you then need to upsell people more and more stuff, because that's where your profits lie. And so many businesses aren't super successful. They're not making the profits that they could because they're not upselling enough and upserving to their clients. Now, McDonald's don't stop with one upsell either. So once you've taken a meal, they will offer you large meal. They don't stop there. They offer you, after that, they'll offer you a supersized meal. So they will keep upselling within reason to people to make that extra profit. And each of those upsells pretty much is pure profit. There's really little costs of producing those extra French fries and that little bit of extra syrup and water in those larger drinks. So think about that in your business. You're spending all that money to get customers and keep customers, but what else are you selling to them? Because if you sell more to them, that's where the profits lie in business, and that's what you need to be doing as well. So that's it from me. I'm off to have a great evening, catch up with an old friend in New York. I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.